Y'all, if you have seen the previous clips, you know that I've been doing like a quick time lapse of all the fruits that this one has grown. It hasn't grown the flowers. The flowers haven't come out yet. They've peeked out, but they have not actually bloomed whatsoever. So I don't know what's going on. But it does keep popping out fruits. Look at that. And I've been trying to plant the seeds from the fruit. So let's hope that we have some new babies soon of the same cactus. They're coming out. They're getting bigger, but yet no flowers yet. The flowers peek out, but they don't fully bloom. So we'll see what happens. Okay, last video, I'm gonna pluck these out. Well, I'm gonna let them come out, most of them by themselves, and then take the seeds, plant some, and yeah, put some of the other seeds away. Look at this.